The 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe lineup now offers a special edition called the RST, Rally Sport Truck, and it's the first model in the lineup to be available with a 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 and a new 10-speed automatic transmission. Most Tahoes will be powered by a 5.3-liter V8, likely mated to a 6-speed automatic. A performance-calibrated magnetic ride control system is available when you opt for the available RST Performance Package, which also adds the more powerful engine and new gearbox. Available features on the Tahoe RST include a Borla exhaust, Brembo brakes, body-colored grille surrounds and door handles, gloss black grille and side mirror covers, black roof rails, and 22-inch alloy wheels. The trailering package unlocks the Chevy's maximum towing capacity, and the additional active safety features are family-friendly and affordable. The front bench seat might be a faux pas compared with the standard buckets, but it saves money and makes the front row feel more spacious, and converts the Tahoe LS into a 9-seat rig for a budget-minded $49,770 with rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive alternative is $52,970.